Hola, what's up everybody, welcome in this new video tutorial with the young dev. I'm Jordi Bayo and today we are going to talk about QR code. You have probably noticed that I'm speaking in English, so I'm passing from French to English on this channel. I know it's not easy, and I'm going to do mistakes, so it's not a problem, so just be tolerant with me, and I know that with time I'm going to improve my skills. So today we are going to talk about QR code. That is all what we are going to do in this series of video. I'm going to share with you the links of my GitHub of the project that I'm going to do, and first of all we have what is QR code. The second chapter that we are going to see is create a QR code, and the third video we are going to talk about create a branded QR code. The fourth video we are going to read QR code. 5, we are going to create a QR code server generator for something like an application that you can ask for the server to generate a QR code so that you can share with your application. And we will see a real life project of this with a QR that I call a party QR share. So you have a party and you want to invite people, and you want to do this with a QR code. So I had a friend who told me about that she wanted to do this with her company. She has a lot of restaurants, something like that, and sometimes they organize parties and they want people to register differently. They want people to share invitations. So I'm going to in that video I'm going to explain very well what we are going to do, so it's not a problem. So this is literally what we are going to see in this playlist, so keep going. Like my video, subscribe, don't forget to subscribe guys. Like the video if you love.